Once again, we're off on a small Cavitar adventure, packing our bags and leaving behind a land of 1,000 lakes and about 1 million mosquitoes. We fly towards Germany this time. A few hours and 1,500 kilometers south, we touch down in Düsseldorf Airport, before heading towards Essen, a small industrial town that once forged Europe's steel. Once the heart of Germany's industrial revolution, Essen built the railway, bridges and machines that powered modern Europe. Today Essen stands as a European green capital, home to leading energy pioneers like RWE and E.ON, shaping the continent's clean energy future. And from here, our story zooms in to the world of Schweißen Schneiden 2025. Where the future of welding comes into focus. Over 800 exhibitors from 44 countries with more than 37,000 visitors and 100,000 square meters of space dedicated to the best of the best in the welding universe. In fact, it's referred to as the Olympics of welding. Meanwhile, at the Cavitar Booth, marked with the IF Digital Award Nominee triangle, things were a bit different, where we showcased Cavitar welding cameras, a SERVICAM portable solution, and a vision brought to life through ArcLessVision. On stage, Ville-Pekka Arasmo, TIG Welding Master, displays the future of weld education. He captures both sides of the weld in real time with ArcLessVision, using augmented reality glasses, revealing a glimpse of ArcLess Academy. Weld Education 2.0.
And now, let's go live. So, I will put for you beautiful ArcLessVision in real time like this. So all you can see is real time here. And I share it myself because if there's still nothing new, we have painted my welding helmet. You can see I can see through it, and I'm using only virtual glasses. And all I can see is exact same you can see there. So, let's go. Now, so the process is key. And I have torch in my right hand here. Here you can see, and I have pillar wire in my left hand. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's ignite the arc like that. Look at the footage. You can see the face of the weld on the left hand side and root of the weld on the right hand side. So I will monitor the face and the root at the same time with ArcLessVision like that. So this shaking area here is a weld pool. When it solidifies, we call it weld. And actually you can see the mirror of the torch from the weld pool. So it's so crystal clear, like that. Can you see it, the mirror? You can see the electrode? Oh yeah, let's weld. This is like a game for me. Ah, can you see the tack weld is coming? What should I do? Am I in trouble? No, I just slow down a little bit and check that it melts like that, and then I continue. Oh yeah. If I go too fast, you can see the root side is not melting anymore, and that's bad. I'm in trouble. But now I just reduce the travel speed. I see the root is melting like that. This is how we can teach 2 or 200 people at the same time with ArcLessVision.
The fair's rhythm never stops. Precision, innovation, robotics, and automated welding everywhere you look. At the Fronius booth, longitudinal and orbital welding systems run with precision, automated, and flawless consistency. With ArcLessVision, every detail of the melt pool comes alive, revealing the process in real time and turning data into understanding. A few aisles away, another system draws the crowd. A robotic arm, welding with remarkable consistency, as if it already knows what comes next. You can see it, sense it. Some technologies don't need an introduction. From automation to education, the story continues beyond the booths. Because behind every machine, there's a mind that learns, teaches, and builds the next breakthrough.
Present our new approach to welding education. And today I'm presenting how welding camera can be as a tool for interactive and iterative learning. And the goal is go towards analytical and evolving welding skills.
Back at the booth, where real conversations begin, we got to meet some of the best experts in the field of welding. Among our visitors, welding engineers, welding YouTubers, and mechanization experts shared how ArcLessVision could redefine welding.
Oh, I'm a welding engineer since more than 30 years, and I'm working at Andritz since 1998. I do, beside my main job as design engineer at Andritz, educating in the German Welding Association. The clear vision of the melting of the material, of the weld process itself, it's really exciting. Really perfect.
So what can you describe as you're seeing now?
Something I've never seen in this clear. It's impressive technology. No arc, just material melting. Even the backside, can clearly see the material, the root coming through. It's impressive technology. ArcLessVision is really new. I never saw this before. It's more than 30 years in welding technology. Saw a lot of films, saw a lot of presentations, but what we can see here is this technology. This is what starters need, what young welders need, what young engineers need. You can see clearly the important point of the welding itself, because you have no problem with a big arc, and the clear vision of the melting of the material, of the weld process itself. It's really exciting.
So you enjoyed the ArcLessVision that we have?
For sure.
Okay.
This ArcLessVision is really new. I never saw this before.
Hello, I'm Manfed welding from Germany, and I enjoy it. It was amazing how the welders show us how they weld, and we can see everything. It's nice and it's really good, and I hope I can test it in my own workshop.
Excellent. So we have the ArcLessVision in a portable solution that is robust, that can be easily carried from a workshop to another workshop. What are the typical use cases for this product?
typical case is to be able to work remotely from the arc, to be safe about the fumes, to be safe also about the welding arc.
Yes.
This is the first things. And now also with the Cavitar camera, we have an old guy like me, some people who cannot see with a good way now. So as you cannot see now, with the Cavitar camera, you still can continue to weld, even when your vision is not good as when you were young. So it's really important for us also now to be able also to have some old welder continue to work with such a solution.
Excellent. Thank you, Claude. So I know you've been in that industry for decades.
Yeah, decades.
Decades. How do you see the evolution of the welding industry in the next 5 years?
Evolution of the welding will go through the vision, arc vision, the welding parameters anyway, and with the IA, we will have anyway to help the welders. So it will be anyway through the vision, just to help the welder, not to replace the welder, but to help him.
Okay, so welder assisted by ArcLessVision and AI combined.
Exactly.
This is the future. Thank you very much, Claude.
You're welcome. Thank you.
For more in-depth videos, educational content, and exclusive ArcLessVision stories, please visit cavitar.com/library. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in Finland.